Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Rotate. Rotate means move or cause to move in circle around axis or center. For example, the wheel continued to rotate. The wheel continued to rotate. Synonyms: revolve, go round, turn.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. The sphere rotates around its axis once each 24 hours. Now, repeat after me. The sphere rotates around its axis once each 24 hours. The second exemplar. As the motor rotates, the drive windings and the sense windings are switched. Now, repeat after me. As the motor rotates, the drive windings and the sense windings are switched. The third exemplar. The draw from stock moves clockwise, and rotates clockwise after each race is complete. Now, repeat after me. The draw from stock moves clockwise, and rotates clockwise after each race is complete.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
Pneumano-ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis is the longest word according to the Oxford Modern English. The 45-character long word is a lung disease caused by inhaling very fine ash and sand dust.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.